to my channel. I'm Nora. Today I'm going to be sharing my stretch mark journey with you guys, and also how I make my shallow oil. I call it shallow oil because I made it from aloe vera and shea butter. I got this most annoying stretch mark after I made use of this body lotion, guys. That body lotion totally messed up my skin, and since then I've been trying different remedies to fade my stretch mark because they were so embarrassing and annoying, but none worked. One day I came across a YouTube video which shows that stretch mark could be faded permanently with baking soda and lemon, which I decided to add a little turmeric to fasten the procedure, and guys, it worked miraculously. So I decided to share the video with you. I made this turmeric, baking soda and lemon paste in my previous upload. The link will be in the description box below. I also massaged my stretch mark with shallow oil, which I'll be showing you how I prepared today. I started using this aloe vera oil made with shea butter when I discovered that aloe vera was good for stretch mark, scars, the skin, the hair, and so was shea butter. So I decided to make an oil out of both. Keep watching, guys, to know how I make this miraculous and wonderful oil. This oil works wonders for hair and skin, and also is a very good massage oil for scars and stretch mark. With this oil, guys, I'm very certain that all your stretch mark problems are over. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you guys in my next video. Bye.